All right, so today I'm going to show you how to use the Chrome extension InsertLearning to use any type of website to transform any document that you find online into an engaging and interacting documents that you can work on with your students. So first we need to install the InsertLearning extension. You need to be into your Chrome extension, okay, your Chrome browser. InsertLearning extension. You're going to look for the InsertLearning. Okay, so you're in your Chrome Web Store and you're under extension. So you see InsertLearning, you add it to Chrome. You want to say yes. Okay, and then you're going to see it's going to show up at the top here into your the list of all the extensions you have. If it doesn't, you click on the puzzle and it's going to show up there. Okay, it should be there. All right, so now that you've done that, you're going to open another one, another Google tab, and you're going to search whatever you want. So let's say we want to find out about the fire at Notre Dame in France. So incendie, and of course it's in French because that's what I teach. So let's do that. All right, so let's say I pick something that's easy enough. Maybe this one? I don't know. Let's just try it. Okay, so we have a text here. We have little columns with different kinds of texts. Let's see. Let's do this one. It's pretty recent. And it talks about a year after the fire, what happened. Okay, so we have a picture, and then we have a text, quotes, things like that. So let's say we pick this one. All right. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on a little InsertLearning here at the top. Okay, remember you click on the puzzle if you can't find it. Okay, and you're going to see that on the left-hand side of your screen, you're going to have a new menu that shows up. This menu allows you to write on the document you just found online. So highlight text, you can highlight anything in the text. So for example, we're going to say Notre Dame de Paris. There you go. Okay, so that should be highlighted. There you go. All right. And then let's say I want to ask a question here. So I'm going to pick and ask my question right here. Just let me, yeah. Okay. So click here to select a stem. Type a question. So my question is going to be de quoi parle ce texte? What is this text about? All right, and I can change the points. I'm going to say this is worth 1 point. And then you can say identifying the main idea of the text. If you want to, you can pick from stuff. But for me, because it has to be in French, hopefully I can just not say anything. Now that I clicked on it, it doesn't let me. So maybe I want to delete and then redo it. Ask a question again. De quoi parle le texte? And I want to put 1 point. I want to create. Okay. De quoi parle le texte? All right. I can turn this into multiple choice, view all responses. That's going to be all the answers of the students showing up here. All right. So when I'm done doing that, I want to assign it more option to the students. So to assign to students, you're going to click on Assign, and then you're going to select the class. So I had gone into InsertLearning first. I'm going to show you that side. And once you go into your InsertLearning extension, you're going to be asked if you're a student or a teacher. You're going to say teacher, and then you create classes. You create the class that you want. So for me here, let's say it's French level 3. Okay, I'm going to create French level 3, and I'm going to see here French 1, French 3, depending on the classes. And then I happen to have done that before. So this one is here. It has not been assigned yet. But let me go back to where we were. So that's the article I was on. And then when you're going to select where to assign, it's going to ask you, depending on the classes you have created. So let's say I pick a level 3. I don't want level 1. And then I'm going to assign. That only assigns in Insert Learning, okay, here. If you want to assign it to Google Classroom, I'm going to go back to Assign to Students and Google Classroom. And it's going to open Google Classroom. And then you need to allow Insert Learning. All right. And then you can pick, same thing, the classes you want to assign to, and then you just go through the process of assigning your new text with the questions you have inserted in it, like you would to any of these classes. Okay, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to do that now. And then you can also create links. So you can just have this link and then insert that into Google Classroom if you'd rather do that, or through School Loop or something else. All right. So again, the text here has questions and things like that. And in your Insert Learning dashboard, so again, type insertlearning.com, and then you sign into your account. You will have access to your lessons, and you can create folders and things like that. All right, hopefully that's helpful.